Hello, good afternoon, and welcome to the Queen's Curry Kitchen. I hope everybody's having a productive or lazy or happy or chilled weekend, whatever you want it to be. May this weekend be all that and more. Let me just turn the camera. Yay, this is perfect. So look at what I have right now. I am making sample batches of homemade garlic and pepper pickles. You see this? These are garlic slivers. And I've combined two kinds of peppers. I have the long hot peppers, which I have de-seeded, and then I have Thai red chilies. You see these? Yeah, so if you're a lover of heat, which I am not, but I am making the sample because I'm thinking of doing a free sample week coming up. And you can actually call in for any samples and I will ship it to your door, free, free. Yeah, so this is something that I'm making as a sample batch. And basically what's gone in here is the pickling spice, which is actually nigella seeds, mustard seeds, cumin seeds, mustard powder, fennel seeds, and fenugreek seeds, and also some salt. To that I have added some mustard oil, and also for that perfect tang and for that perfect balance, I've added some lemon juice. Now I'm going to give it a good mix, and I'm going to fill it up in this jar, and I will let it sit in the sun for about 2 to 3 days, and it's going to be ready. You can already see that the Thai chilies are beginning to break down a little bit. Okay, so the one secret that I always put in my pickles and in all my preserved foods and in my brines is that I use sea salt, or then I use Himalayan pink salt. So whenever you're trying to do any preserved foods, always make sure you do not use any iodized table salt or kosher salt or anything. Use sea salt or Himalayan pink salt, because that is the thing that will help to not change the taste or the color of it, and it will also help to preserve it for longer. Good afternoon, Nalini. Good afternoon, Anupriya. Good afternoon, Nal from Florida. Good afternoon, Nana. Welcome to all of you. I hope that this is making you hungry and spicy. I have my skillet on the stove. I'm going to make some parathas and give this a try, even though I'm very scared to eat anything that's so super hot. But yep, that's the way to do it. You can do it yourself. Check the weather. Make sure there's at least 3 days of straight sunny weather wherever you live, and then you can make this. So if you want to order a sample of this, just send me a DM and I will email you for your address, and I will send you a sample so you can try it out. I hope you all are having a great weekend, and you will join me again soon in the next one. Until then, goodbye, God bless, be blissful, be flavorful, and enjoy life, because it's hot in here, baby. Bye bye, I'll see you in the next one.